जनरल बिपिन जी रावत, डिफेंस सेक्रेटरी डॉक्टर अजय कुमार जी, सेक्रेटरी डिफेंस प्रोडक्शन श्री राजकुमार जी, एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी श्री संजय याजू, डिप्टी चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल शांतनु दयाल जी, यंग इनोवेटर्स, enterprising startups, those who are present physically and have joined virtually. Visha Sahastra Naman, the host of the event, who himself is connected with our startup initiatives. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं कुछ बोलने के पहले जो बात मुझे टच की जब मैं चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ जनरल बिपिन रावत जी से बात कर रहा था, उन्होंने भी अपनी चिंता व्यक्त की कि हमारे आईडेक्स स्टार्टअप्स जो हैं उनको जो अमाउंट मिलता है वो मुझे भी पहले भी लग रहा था कि तो कम है। और मैं ये कहूंगा कि सेक्रेटरी डिफेंस प्रोडक्शन और डिफेंस सेक्रेटरी ये देखें कि कुछ ना कुछ ये बढ़ना चाहिए, मुझे बहुत ही कम लगता है। Dear friends, it gives me immense pleasure to address this gathering of Young India, our promising startups, future entrepreneurs, corporates, government representatives, and all those who have joined virtually. It is a privilege to be talking at an event on startups. This event is a testament of India's ability to take the lead and further build our strength in the post-COVID world. Friends, India embarked on an ambitious Startup India program on the clarion call given by our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. This program is started with the objective of harnessing the young talent, the spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship ingrained in the Indian ethos. Startup India was based on three major pillars. First, simplification and handholding. Second, funding and incentives. And third, incubation and industry academia partnerships. With resounding success since its start, the program today boasts an ecosystem of more than 41,000 startups and 4.7 lakh jobs reported by them. Also, rupees 4,500 crore of investment made in 384 startups through Funds of Fund scheme. In such an ecosystem, it will not be an exaggeration to say that our economy is soon going to be driven by these startups. Friends, our government is acutely conscious that startups, being the latest in trends in the defense manufacturing sector, require that extra push. With this aim in view, we have taken many steps to foster and encourage this partnership with private industry. I would like to highlight some of them, like opening up the patents and laboratories of DRDO to private industry, setting up of young scientist labs in niche technology areas, programs like Innovation for Defense Excellence, Defense India Startup Challenge, and IDEX for 4G, etc. Dear friends, our commitment to ensure that technology developed by the Startup Ecosystem Act as force multipliers to the Indian military operational and combat capabilities. This has been highlighted in the latest version of the Defense Acquisition Procedure 2020. This allows startups to participate in Make in India forums and also reserve projects up to rupees 100 crore for micro, small and medium enterprise. Friends, I have been informed that Startup Manthan 2021 is being organized by Innovations for Defense Excellence Defense Innovation Organization as an annual flagship event dedicated to showcase innovations and technological developments in defense sector. It brings together startups, MSMEs, the corporate and military representatives to identify way forward and to further strengthen the partnership. Friends, as you are aware, IDEX was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister in April 2018 with the core aim to create corporate models for Indian defense needs. Such needs were to identify emerging technologies, connect innovators to military units, facilitate co-creation, and create pathways for incorporation of cutting-edge technology into weapon systems used by our armed services. Attaining self-reliance in the manufacturing of defense equipment is a crucial factor for maintaining India's strategic autonomy. The IDEX initiative stands out as one of the most effective and well executed defense startup ecosystem created in our country. I believe it is a decisive step towards achieving self-reliance in the true spirit of the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign. I have been phenomenal progress made by the IDEX winners. Several of them are gaining recognition for their innovations at different national and international platforms as well. More than 1,200 startups and innovators have participated in Defense India Startup Challenge. Out of these, more than 60 startups have won in 30 technological areas under these challenges. I am proud to say that these brilliant innovators have been given grants of up to rupees 1.5 crore each to build these prototypes. Some examples of these innovations being high altitude pseudo satellites created by New Space Research and Technology Private Limited and adoptive steel by Hyper Steel Technologies. Friends, in the aerospace sector itself, 300 plus startups are currently engaged, and under IDEX, 10 startups have developed the products worth 100 crore, which have been displayed in front you in Aero India 21. Today, I am very happy to announce that the 45 MSMEs who have participated in Aero India have already got orders worth rupee 203 crore. This is a very heartening news, and I am sure it will grow further in the times to come. Friends, the startup Manthan is going to provide a unique opportunity for startups to showcase their capabilities, products, and services to the targeted audience of industry leaders and business decision makers. Also, I believe the productive interactions with renowned national and international speakers, mentors, and thought leaders will provide learning opportunities to all those present here. Friends, when we talk about innovators who can be better than a veteran turned into innovator with tons of field experience, IDEX for Fauji is such an initiative which provides opportunities to the members of the Indian Armed Forces to innovate. Their knowledge and first-hand experience provide a good source of feedback and innovative ideas for improving and bringing incremental improvements in existing platforms and equipment. They also provide for futuristic ideas for innovations in defense. There are more than 13 lakh service personnel working in the field and on the borders, handling extreme conditions and equipment. they have many ideas and innovations to improve such equipments. IDEX for Fauji opens up a new window and allows our Faujis to be recognized and rewarded as innovators. Though it has been only 1 year since introduction of IDEX for Fauji, the program is already showing promising results. Innovations done in the field of robotics in maritime applications by Lieutenant Deepak Suman Kumar and wall penetrating radar by Major Anu Mitra are some examples that I recount. Friends, similarly, IDEX Open Challenge Initiative creates opportunities for innovators to propose ways for harnessing their technological capabilities to strengthen our nation's military capability. Anyone with an idea, technology, or a product that can be used in defense and aerospace can apply under this initiative. Towards this end, I would request all of you to come up with innovative ideas to support IDEX in its efforts to develop a robust startup ecosystem and provide valuable contributions in modernizing our armed forces. There is a huge potential in this sector and there is a lot more to do. I expect and wish this event becomes a milestone in startup engagement in defense. Once again, I express my sincere gratitude to all of you for promoting startups and innovations in defense and wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मानक गुप्ता। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें और हां, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप देश और दुनिया की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 24।